the B sound. B, bird, B. B sounds B, as in bird. A small bird is sitting on the tree. B in ball sounds B. Let us play with this ball. Look at this word, B. The letter B in B makes the B sound. How to make the sound? First, press your lips together and push air. Next, open your mouth and let out the puff of air to make the B sound, as in bird. Try again. This time, put your hand on your throat. It moved or vibrated. Click on the letter that makes the B sound. Bug. Click on the letter that makes the B sound. Bed. Click on the letter that makes the B sound. Big. Let us look at some other words with the letter B that make the B sound. Click on the letter that makes the B sound. Tub. Click on the letter that makes the B sound. Web. Click on the letter that makes the B sound. Crab.